Thank you Japanese customers for purchasing our EA960D1 LED screen. His LED screen supports front and back dual maintenance design, which greatly facilitates users to perform quick maintenance, reduces equipment downtime, and improves efficiency. EA960D1 is made of high-quality die-cast magnesium material, with excellent durability and heat dissipation performance, ensuring long-term stable operation. Its size is 960 by 960 millimeters, which can provide a wide display field of view and bring an excellent visual experience. Whether it is used for advertising display, commercial activities, or other high-end application places, EA960D1 can provide clear and stable display effects to meet high-quality display needs.